Hey, what's up folks? My name is Ashok Joshi and welcome to AJ Media YouTube channel. So in the last video, we tried installing CentOS 8 inside Oracle VirtualBox. So if you haven't watched that video, so you can click on this I button. So in the top right side, you can see this I button and you can just go and watch that particular video. So in this video, what we will do is, you can see here, right, the CentOS screen, it's very small. We will make this thing appear bigger so that our Linux learning becomes good. So what I will do is I will click on this activity and I will go to this something which is called as terminal, and what I will do here is I will log in as a root, and to log in as a root just write su and click on the password. Okay, so you'll have to give the password that we had set earlier. So the very first thing what you'll have to do is you'll have to update the machine. So in order to update the machine, the command is very simple. It's yum update. That's it. So now why it is not updating in my system is because my system is already updated. So you'll have to write yum update, and if your system has not been updated, then it will take some time to update it. Okay. And in sometimes it will ask whether you want to continue or not. Just write Y and continue. That's it. And it will install everything. So the next command what you'll have to do here is you'll have to install some packages and utilities. So I have made this command really very simpler, and it's only one command that you'll have to write. Write yum install tar bzip2 and then kernel devel space kernel headers. And by the way, these commands are given in the description box below. gcc make elf utils lib elf devel. So you can write this command and click enter, and here it will ask whether it is okay, and you'll have to write either Y or not. So just write Y and press enter. So this will install the necessary packages, and once this is done, I will be back. Okay, so now everything is completed. Now what you'll have to do is you'll have to reboot this CentOS machine. So in order to reboot, what you'll have to type is yum reboot and click enter. Okay, so I'm getting some error here. Let me try to see what it is. Okay, because I have logged in as a root, I will just have to write reboot here. Okay, click enter. This will reboot my CentOS machine. Now this is the login screen. Let's log in. Give the password. Okay, so even now the issue has not resolved. So what we'll have to do now is we'll have to install guest edition. So how to install guest edition? For that you'll have to get out of this virtual machine. So in order to move the cursor out of this virtual machine, you'll have to click the control button that is in the right side of the keyboard. There is one control button at the left side. Do not click that one. Click the right control button that you see in your keyboard. So once you click the control, so what you can do here is go to device, and here you can see there is something which is called as insert guest editions CD image. Click on this thing. Once you click, it will say VirtualBox contains a software intended to be automatically started. So it will ask whether you want to run it. So we'll have to run this thing. Okay, click on this run, and after this it will ask you to put your password. Just write the password and click enter, and this will install the guest edition in our CentOS machine. So just wait for some time. Okay, so now you can see here we are getting this message saying press return to control this window. Just click enter. Okay, so now what we'll have to do is we'll have to once again restart this particular virtual machine. Click on power off and okay, so just click start so that we can run this virtual machine once again. Okay, so what you can do here is you can just click enter. Okay, let's give the password. Okay, so once you have given the password and entered your CentOS machine, what you can do now is go to this view, and here you can see there is something which is now available, that is auto resize guest display. Click on this thing. Okay, and okay, let's click once again, and now you can see here that the virtual machine is now appearing in full screen, and that's what we wanted, so that our experience of learning Linux will be good. And you can open up the terminal now, and you can see here everything is now bigger, right? And you can also edit the preferences, and you can make your custom fonts, so you can increase the size of the font. Let me make it as 19, and so now you can see properly, right? So it has become a lot better than the last time. So that's how you can install guest edition in your VirtualBox and make your operating system or virtual machine look good. And if you want to enter in a full-sized mode and you don't want to see all these icons, so what you can do here is click on that right control in your keyboard and click F. So this will make it appear in full screen, and if you want to come back, just click on that right control and F again, and that's how you can toggle it. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys were able to troubleshoot this issue, and do hit that like button if you guys have enjoyed this video. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click on that bell icon so that you will never miss any update. And if you think this video will help your friend or somebody, then do share it with them. And if you have any doubt, you can use the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. I will see you in my next video. So till then, bye bye, take care.